Hello friends, welcome to Competitive Exams channel. In this video we will discuss 20 most important Indian constitution questions. First question. When any house of parliament, Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, had adjourned without naming a day for reassembly, it is known as. Right answer is option D. Adjournment sign die. Second question. A governor, though he remains in office at the pleasure of president, is an internal part of. Right answer is option B. State legislature. Third question. Which articles of the Constitution of India explicitly confers power of judicial review on High Court? Right answer is option C. Article 13 and 226. Fourth question. The highest law officer in the state is. Right answer is option B. Advocate General. Fifth question. Which article of the Constitution declares that the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to State Legislative Assembly? Right answer is option A. Article 164. Sixth question. The chairman of Rajya Sabha can be removed from his office only if he removed from. Right answer is option C. The office of Vice President. Seventh question. The parliamentary form of government as prevalent in India emphasizes the interdependence between. Right answer is option D. The legislative and executive organs. Eighth question. The Constitution of India deals with the organizations, composition, duration, officers, procedures, privileges, power of the parliament under. Right answer is option A. Article 79 to 122 in part 5. Ninth question. The last session of the exiting Lok Sabha after a new Lok Sabha has been elected is called. Right answer is option C. Lame duck session. 10th question. The main duty of Speaker pro tem of Lok Sabha is. Right answer is option B. To administer oath to the new members. 11th question. Right to life and liberty is ensured under. Right answer is option D. Article 21 of the Constitution of India. 13th question. How many times has the preamble to the Constitution of India been amended? Right answer is option C. One time. 14th question. In which historic case did Supreme Court of India hold the preamble to the Constitution of India is a part of Constitution and hence can be amended? Right answer is option B. Keshananda Bharati vs. State of Kerala in 1973. 15th question. The duties of Chief Minister of a state with regard to furnishing of information to the governor is enshrined in. Right answer is option A. Article 167. 16th question. The governor of a state is empowered to grant pardons, etc., and to suspend, remit, or commute sentences in certain cases under. Right answer is option B, Article 161. 17th question. The 50th schedule to the Constitution of India deals with administration and control of. Right answer is option A, scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. 18th question. Article 362 Constitution of India deals with the provisions as to. Right answer is option D, financial emergency. 19th question. The idea of republic and the ideals of liberty, equality, fraternity as laid down in the preamble to the Constitution of India have been borrowed from. Right answer is option C, French Constitution. 20th question. The provisions as covered by Article 343 to 351 under Part 17 of the Constitution of India deals with. Right answer is option B, official language. Thank you friends. Please subscribe to our channel.